Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Guys, Gears, and Grit. We have the 2010 Honda Stateline. This thing is a sleeper, all right? So I know that you guys out there are familiar with this. You want the Fury. You don't want the Fury. You want the Stateline. Stateline's gonna be much more comfortable, and after you buy a Stateline, this is the exhaust that you want. This is a set of Cobra pipes that sounds absolutely unbelievable. This is the best sounding exhaust for any VT 1300 or VTX 1300. I challenge you to find anything that's better than this. Golly, just look at it. Wait till you hear this thing. This thing is absolutely bonkers sick.